With just one pan, I made a kimbap, toast, a pasta, and even kimchi fried rice. The ingredients are different and the cooking methods are completely different. But one pan was all I needed. Keep watching to see how uniquely each dish turns out. Slice the carrot into thin strips. Cut the green onion into shorter pieces. Shred the crab sticks with your hands and chop the red bell pepper. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the carrot first, then the rest of the ingredients. Stir fry for about 1 minute on medium-high heat. Season with a pinch of salt. Crack in 3 eggs and gently break the yolk. Lower the heat to medium-low. Cook until the eggs are set, then flip. And cook the other side for about 1 minute. Now you have your kimbap filling, all in one pan. Prepare 1 bowl of warm rice. Add 2 pinches of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a little sesame seeds. Mix well. Cut the egg veggie pancake in half. Cut the kim in half too. Spread a thin layer of rice on the kim. Then place the egg veggie pancake on top. You can roll it just like this. But if you have a pickled radish at 1 strip, it makes it twice as delicious. Roll it up tightly. Lightly coat the roll with sesame oil and sprinkle a little sesame seeds. Slice into bite-sized pieces. And your one-pan kimbap is done. Cut the bread in half. Slice some cabbage and a little carrot thinly. Beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt. Add the veggies and mix well. Melt some butter in the pan. Pour the egg mixture in and spread it thinly. Place the bread on top, and when the egg starts to set, flip carefully. Fold the egg edges over the toast to make it neat. Cook the ham on the side. Add slices of cheese and place the ham on top. Then drizzle a little ketchup and a bit of condensed milk. Usually sugar is used for this toast, but I like to use condensed milk. Fold it in half, and that's it. Soft egg and sweet sauce make the perfect Korean street-style toast. Slice the garlic thinly. Cut the dried chili into small pieces, or you can use pepperoncino. Add plenty of olive oil to your pan and cook the garlic slowly over medium-low heat to infuse the oil with the flavor. And add the chili and a little salt. Now pour in 2 cups of water and add the pasta directly into the pan. At first, the pasta might not be fully submerged, just gently stir it as it softens. And half tablespoon of tuna fish sauce. This is what brings that deep, savory flavor. We don't boil the pasta separately because as the noodles cook, the starch blends with the oil and naturally creates the sauce. Everything comes together on its own, so the sauce coats the pasta beautifully. Adjust the final seasoning with just a little salt. You can add a little black pepper if you want. Right before finishing, turn off the heat while a bit of sauce still remains, and drizzle a little extra olive oil if you like. A little parsley makes it extra fragrant. You can plate it, but honestly, eating it straight from the pan just feels right, and fewer dishes to wash. It's super simple, but the flavor is really deep and satisfying. Slice the pork belly thinly like this. It cooks faster and goes well with the kimchi. A little fat makes kimchi fried rice taste better. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. Well-fermented kimchi gives a deeper flavor when stir-fried. Put the pork in a preheated pan without oil and cook over medium heat. When the fat starts to melt, add about 1 cup of kimchi, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If your kimchi is too sour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice for color and richness. For color and flavor, add a half tablespoon of gochugaru. Keep stir frying until the moisture is mostly gone. Now add about 2 bowls of rice. Cold rice works fine. Don't mash it. Just gently loosen it. When it turns red and glossy, it's almost done. Turn off the heat. It's already good as it is. A sprinkle of kim flakes adds a different layer of flavor. Do you prefer it with a fried egg on top or just as it is? Which one-pan recipe was your favorite? Next time you wonder what to cook, try starting with that one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.